Example 2.16. Two electric bulbs marked 20 watt 220 volt and 100 watt 220 volt are connected in series to 440 volt supply. Which bulb will be fused? Okay. Now according to the problem, two bulbs and their voltage as well as their power is given. Okay, and they are connected in series with a battery of volt 440 volt. Okay, first we have to find it out which one is fused. Okay, so in order to check which one is fused, we have to find it out the voltage drop across the each bulb. We have to find out what voltage drop. So for finding the voltage drop, first we have to calculate the resistance. So the resistance can be calculated using the formula R is equal to V square by 4. V square by P. Okay. Now, first we'll take the first bulb. So for 20 watt 220 volt bulb. Okay. What is the resistance? That resistance we can take it as R1. Your voltage is 220. 220 square divided by 20. So this is 220 into 220 divided by 20. You'll be getting the value as 2420 ohm. Okay. Now, for the next bulb, that is for 100 watt 220 volt bulb, we can find it out R2. R2 is equal to, this is 220 square divided by 100. So it is 220 into 220 divided by 100, which you will be getting as 484 ohm. Okay. Now we have found out both the resistance. According to the problem, the bulbs are connected in series. According to the problem, the bulbs are what? Connected in series. So the current passes through both the bulbs are same. In series connection, the current is same. Okay. So what is the total current passes through the circuit? I is equal to V by R total. We have to take the total resistance into total. So what is your R total? R total is equal to 2420 plus 484 ohm. Okay. So what is that? What value is that? That is 2904 ohm. Okay, this is your total resistance in the circuit. Now how to find out the current? Current I is equal to, what is the total voltage in the circuit? That is 440 volt according to the problem. 440 by 2904. So if you divide this, you will be getting as 0.151 ampere. Now we can go for find out the voltage drop. So voltage drop across 20 watt bulb, that is V, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So V1 is equal to IR1 because the current is same in the series circuit. So I value is what? 0.151 into R1 value is how much? 2420. Now if you multiply this value, you will be getting it as 366.6 volt. Similarly, we can find it out what the voltage drop across 100 watt bulb. So V2 is equal to IR2. So this is 0.151 into 484. You will be getting the value as 73.3 volts. Okay. Now which bulb will be get fused is the bulb with 20 watt will be fused because the voltage rating is only how much? 220 volt. Both the bulbs are having the voltage rate of what? 220 volt. But how much voltage is passing through the bulb is 366.6 volt. So the bulb with 20 watt power will get what? Fused. More voltage is passing through the bulb. So it will get what? Fused.